Did you know there is a hidden gem in WordPress that could transform how you manage your website? Stick around and I will reveal the best WordPress feature you didn't even know about, but definitely should. Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Natalie. The Site Health tool is available yet often overlooked feature in WordPress. It helps monitor your site's performance and security, offering insights on how to improve both. In this video, I walk you through how to use it with examples, benefits, tips and tricks, plus common mistakes to avoid. Step number 1 is to how to access the Site Health tool. You go to your WordPress site and you log in. You navigate to Tools. Then you choose this Site Health option. On the left sidebar, you click on the Site Health. And once you access the Site Health page, you will see two tabs, Status and Info. The Status tab shows your site's current health with a percentage or a message like good or needs improvement. Shows critical information about your WordPress configuration and items that require your attention. The Information tab provides technical details about your PHP version, database information, active plugins. For example, you can find information on which version of WordPress you are using, the number of active and inactive plugins and themes you have. This screen also contains technical information about your server setup, your database, and your permissions. Note that this screen only contains information, so you cannot configure any of the settings from here. Additionally, if you feel stuck, you may click on this help link at the top of the screen, and by clicking on it, it will take you to WordPress official documentation to guide you. The link will be available to you in the description box. Imagine for a second that you have recently added several plugins and notice your site is slowing down, and the Site Health tool will help you pinpoint potential causes to keep your WordPress site secure. And so you will click on the Manage Your Plugins to take you to your plugins list. And since WordPress 5.5, website admins can manually opt in for automatic updates theme by theme and plugin by plugin. All you have to do is to enable this great feature is to click on the right text link. At the moment, I have already enabled this feature to auto-update my plugins to make your life easier. And once enabled, auto-updates can be disabled at any time using the same toggle link. Remember to update your theme, and as a tip, I recommend you only use one theme. You have to enable and disable theme by theme. You will go to Appearance, and then Themes, and right under the theme author, you would click on Enable Auto Updates, and you are done. Plugin auto updates can also be bulk enabled or disabled for several plugins at one time by using the bulk action selector. And so select plugins using this checkbox located in the first column of the plugins list table and use the plugin action selector. You select all the plugins, you click on the bulk actions, then you will click apply. And so another great example I can provide you with is I have this previous local WordPress site installed on my computer. I haven't enabled the auto updates feature, and so I go to plugins and I can select all of the plugins, and in the bulk actions I choose to enable to update and then to enable auto updates and then click on apply. I go for now with updates, and so by default WordPress runs auto updates twice per day, and this means if updates are available for plugins and themes with auto updates enabled, The time until the next schedule update will be displayed below. Here, below the Enable and Disable Auto Updates action link. And if for some reason Auto Updates controls are not available on your plugins themes admin screens, please check you are running WordPress version 5.5 or more. Plugins and themes auto updates were introduced in WordPress 5.5. Install a SSL certificate, which means to get the HTTP sites totally safe and secure to navigate on the internet. Always stay updated. Update your theme and plugins. Use the latest PHP and MySQL versions. Enable REST API, which lets developers manage and interact with WordPress content and data programmatically through HTTP requests. And let's go through some typical issues and how to resolve them. Issue number 1. You may have plugins and themes that are not active. Inactive plugins and themes can pose security risks. So you go to the plugins, install plugins. I have here a plugin which is not activated. And if you are not using the plugin, you should delete it. And to delete is very straightforward. All you have to do is to click on the delete button and then to confirm it. And this is quite simple and it brings security benefits. Another issue, outdated PHP version. You are running an outdated PHP version which can affect performance and security. Per PHP is the scripting language of WordPress websites. And so if you have a warning, you can check the PHP version by going into the Info tab. And so under the Status tab, you will find easily the PHP version you are using, as well as the PHP default time zone. And if you are running an outdated PHP version, you check first the PHP version you are using, and then you will contact your hosting provider to update PHP to the latest stable version. And after updating, you should recheck site health to confirm the issue is resolved. And issue number 3, it's HTTPS is not enabled. And so not using HTTPS can compromise data security and affect SEO rankings. And so the solution steps, you should acquire a SSL certificate from your hosting provider. And many offer free SSL certificates. Otherwise, you can install and activate a plugin called SSL certificate to configure your website to use HTTPS. This one, you just need to click once to install the plugin, and then once it's done, just click again to activate. Then you run the settings. Another issue you may have is module missing. For example, missing PHP modules can limit the functionality of your website. And so the solution steps include to identify missing modules inside the site health reports under the iMagick version or MB string. You should immediately contact your hosting provider and request the installation of these modules. And after installation, I recommend refresh the site health reports to ensure the modules are recognized. Another tip to resolve some of the issues include to utilize the site health information tab. Under the information tab, you will cite this site health information. And if you use this option to copy the site information to the clipboard, you can easily copy and share this site information with your support team when resolving issues. All you have to do is to click on this text link, copy. It is immediately copied into your desktop, Let's opening Notepad and then press Ctrl V, and all you have to do now is to share with your theme. Have you already used this feature before, or do you have any other hidden WordPress tips? Just let me know in the comments down below. Make sure you subscribe to get more WordPress videos like this. And if you are finding this video helpful so far, please consider giving me a like or a comment. This is a simple step you can take that makes my YouTube channel grow in terms of how the YouTube algorithm works. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you in the next time.